when I think about yesterday. My, oh my.
Hi everyone, I hope you guys are all doing well despite what's going on in the world today. Well, I thought I'll come and share a little cleaning motivation with you. I'm going through wiping down and disinfecting all of my door handles and light switches. I think that is very, very important. Well, if you're new here, hello, welcome. I'm Raquel. I hope you guys stick around and join me on this lifestyle journey that I have here on YouTube. I would love to have you. And if you're already here, just make sure you have your bell notification on, so every time I upload, you never miss a thing. A lot of you guys may or may not know we just had little puppies, so I had to relocate a few things here in my living room. This mirrored console table is not the permanent home, but we had to move it to accommodate the new pups in their home, so that's why you may see some things shifted around in here and there. We just had to improvise, but nonetheless it's working out so well and the puppies are doing awesome. This vase here is one of the items I just shared in my home decor haul. It came from Pier 1 and I think it is absolutely beautiful. Anywho, I shared a lot of these other items on this console table as well. So I am really, really excited about that. Let's move on over here to the sitting area and the couch. This is where we've been chilling and maxing out, watching a lot of Netflix due to the quarantine and all that good stuff. So let's get this clean and wiped and vacuumed down. So I'm curious to know, how are you guys holding up since your children, your babies, your teens are at home with us the last week or two? How are you guys holding up? Let me know in the comments. It is definitely a challenge for us, but I try to keep them entertained as best as possible, but they are driving me insane, you guys. I just have to be honest. I tend to get questions about this cordless vacuum every time I use it in one of my videos. This is a DYSON V7 Motörhead Plus. Having a cordless vacuum is a lifesaver. I cannot highly recommend having it for any household. So thought I'll share.
like we had something. Tonight I'll be guessing, but I don't really have a case. You don't have to mention, you just like their attention. It's written all over your face. I don't wanna play the quiet type when I'm near you, reading old messages on my phone every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act, just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy's smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. You knocked on my window and slept on my pillow, then said you had found your place. Not sure if I want this. You don't think that I notice. This isn't like giving you space. I don't wanna play the quiet type when I'm near you, pretending that I don't